Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a swipe. I'm going to be doing it a little bit different than I had been doing it. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I am working on an 11 by 14 canvas. I have white paint already covering. It is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, and it's mixed with Floetrol and water only. All of my colors that I am using today are mixed with Floetrol and water only as well. I will have all of the colors listed in the description, so you can check that out if you want to know all of that information. I do have some other things in there as well. I have a Blick link, so if you like to order some art supplies, you can use my link. I do have an Arteza link. I have a resin link. So go ahead and check that out. And you can see that I am, if you've watched my other videos, you can see that I'm doing it a little bit different. I normally cover the canvas with all the colors. So today I just kind of put them on and then put my black, which was a last minute decision. I was not going to use the black. I was going to swipe with white, but I put black in there. So it seems like it is working quite well though. I'm liking it so far, and I am just going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video and listen to the music. But before I do, of course, I have to mention subscribing. I know, not everybody wants to hear about it, but I do just want to let you guys know, my existing subscribers, I do appreciate you guys so much. And for those of you that do not subscribe to me yet, I hope that you enjoy this video enough that you'll just click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, it's free, so just go ahead and click it. I do appreciate it. It's what I do for a living, so it really does help me out. All right, so with all of that being said, I am going to let you finish watching this, and I'll be back in a jiff. Alright, so here we go with the wet photos, and I think it turned out pretty cool. I do like how the cells developed, how the colors blended. It kind of looks like a colorful, beautiful mess. I think I'm going to try it again though, and just swipe with white. And see what happens with that, so there's, it's not so dark in the middle. I do like though the blue cells in the black there, so that's pretty cool. All right, and here we go. You get to see how it dried, and it looks awesome. The colors are so bright. I am actually really happy with it. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts, so leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Don't forget to share this video. That's another great way to help my channel and support me. And don't forget also, I have a bunch of more videos that I know you will enjoy, so go ahead and click the link on the left, and I'll catch you in the next one.